Hi guys!
Since we only have a few hours here in Manila, we want to make most of it.
Yes, so we are going to the Mall of Asia since we are also still very tired from our very long journey over here. So we're going to the Mall of Asia, and also because this happened on the way and it's beyond salvageable. This literally happened on the way to Istanbul, by the way, so I've been without music for the last 24 hours, which was tough.
So that's why we gonna go and get some few necessities and find some food for tonight.
Exactly. Might not be the most exciting vlog, but hey, anything is better than nothing, isn't it?
Good morning! We kind of overslept, so that's why we had to rush to the airport to get to the domestic terminal and check in for our flight to Coron. And all that before we even had the chance to pick up our camera, so that's why I'm now reporting while here at the terminal. While Hugo is getting some breakfast, since we didn't really have time for that either. We're in!
And compared to the last time we flew on the exact same aircraft, which was in the Maldives last year, we are actually having quite comfy seats, to be honest. It's not business class like yesterday, but
Still quite stiff. But we'll live.
it's only an hour.
Wow, that was gorgeous.
Well, here we are. That was an easy process. It's a beautiful flight, epic scenery, and we already were picked up now by the driver who's going to take us directly to the hotel, as it seems. So it should be 30-minute drive from now.
Yay!
But we'll see. Yay! We're in Coron.
We only waited 2 minutes for our bags. We're here!
First thoughts?
Well, it's kind of small, but the drive was amazing. It's so surreal to be here.
Good afternoon, guys. We have been here now for a few hours. We had to do some stuff for which it was not convenient to bring the camera, so we got ourselves a dry bag. We visited ADM and we had something to eat with gluten-free soy sauce, so that was a plus. We're now getting prepared to go to a beach, and we are thinking about hiring a moped or something just to get there. Because that seems to be the norm over here. So it should be interesting because none of us has ever driven on a moped before. What happened?
Hi guys, I fell from the motorcycle.
Luckily it's not that bad.
Does hurt though. But I'll live. They said I'll live, so guess I'll be fine. Just no beach today. Okay, so basically when you get here at the airport, there are tons of people who are handing you flyers to promote their tours, and we really want to do some of these tours because that's the best way to get everywhere, to all the highlights and everything you want to see. But we had to pick one, and we're not really good at deciding what to do, so we folded them all up. And I'm just gonna blindly, randomly choose one, and that's the one that we'll be doing since they're all the same price. I'm gonna go with this one. What does it say? Okay. It's gonna be Kayangan Lake, Berkuda Lake, Twin Lagoon, Skeleton Wreck, Zhiyun / Banal Beach, Siete Picados, and Coral Garden.